The Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyer USS Fitzgerald arrived in Pascagoula, Mississippi, January 19, aboard heavy-lift vessel MV Transshelf inward bound from Yokosuka, Japan. Pascagoula. The USS Fitzgerald arrives in the port of Pascagoula, Mississippi on Friday morning, January 19. The ship will now begin restoration and modernization work at Huntington Ingalls Industries shipyard. Fitzgerald is expected to spend several days in the port of Pascagoula as the heavy-lift ship will commence the reverse operation of unfastening, lowering, and guiding the ship off the platform. The ship will then be taken to its designated pier space at Huntington Ingalls Industries shipyard. Due to the extent and complexity of the restoration, both repair and new construction procedures will be used to accomplish the restoration and modernization efforts. Various hull mechanical and electrical, C4I and combat system equipment, including the electronic warfare suite, radar, switchboard, gas turbine generator, and air-conditioned plant require repair and/or replacement. Fitzgerald will also receive combat system and C5I upgrades that were originally planned for installation during a fiscal year 2019 availability. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and to share it with your friends.